We would like to show you what happens in different habitats when you drop your litter. Oh no! Look at all this litter. We need to do a good job tidying up this beach. Oh, one nice bit. Yay! Oh,
I'm really excited.
Tiger! Yummy, I finished with these crisps. So we dropped his litter in the tiger cage. Oh dear, that's a litter. The tiger's out the crisp packet. We need to get it out. The litter has gone. Hooray! Oh, it's a very lovely day. La 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 la. Do 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 do. I think I'll go home now. Oh, rubbish! Ow! 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 Hospital.
Oh dear!
What happened? I will fix you. Thank you. Yay! Oh, what a nice morning. Oh, what's this litter? Oh, how did this bag get on my head? I can't see. Oh, where am I going? Splash. Help. Don't worry, I will save you, Bear. Come on, Bear, let's get this bed off your head. Thank you. Always find a bin to put your litter in. Hooray!